Hello friends, welcome to IIC. This is Naresh Raj and today's discussion about sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, and in this video we will prove this sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1 with the help of Simulink in MATLAB. Let's see. In this for sin square x plus cos square x equal to 1, we click on this Simulink library and there will be open a Simulink library, and now we click on this block for this new model, and now model will be open, and now we need sine wave blocks from this Simulink library, and then we take a sine wave block from the Simulink library and we click on this Simulink library, and now the two sine wave block now taken for the sin square x, and two sine wave we take another for convert the cos wave, because there is no cos wave block in the Simulink library. So by the change of the phase in the sine wave we can got a cos wave block. So now we will change the parameter of this sine wave block and the cos wave block, and now for the sin square x plus cos square x required a product block, and then we take this product block from the Simulink library, and now the output of this each sine wave block connected to the product block, and the output of this cos wave block connected to the another product block, and now we set the parameter of this sine wave block. The amplitude is sine wave is 1 and the frequency is also a 2 into pi divisible by 360, and then the phase of the sine wave is equal to 0, and now okay, and now we change the another sine wave blocks, and the frequency will be same as the earlier, and the phase will be 0, and now apply, and okay, now we change the parameter of the cos wave block, and the parameter of this cos wave block will be same as the sine wave block, but the phase is changed in this. The frequency will be a same and the phase will be equal to pi by 2, and now for such type we change the parameter of the another cos wave block, and the frequency will be same and the phase will be pi by 2, and now the output of the each product block connected to the add for the get of the sin square x plus the cos square x. Now we take a block add block and connect the output of this each block of the product, and now to get output in a digit we take a display block and connect it to the output of this header, and now for the graphical representation we take a one scope block and connect it to the output of this add block, and now we will compile this, and then now the sin square x plus cos square x equal to 1, which is the result which is shown you in the display block, and if you want to see the graphical representation of this block, and now we will click on the scope button, and now you see this is a output of this sin square x plus cos square x equal to 1, and this is a yellow line shows a 1, which is a output of the sin square x plus cos square x equal to